Hello, let's see how we can create this transparent text effect in Canva. On the Canva homepage, we can click social media and Facebook and let it be Facebook post. Now we can enter the text, go to the left side menu, click T text, add text box, and here we can enter our text. For example, I'm entering travel. Now we can go to the font, click on the text, go to the top menu and fonts, and here we can choose any font. For example, I'm choosing Anton. And now we can rotate, click on the text and click this arrow and rotate the text. Now we can put it on the left side, go to the text color and make it white. Now go to the effects section and here we can click lift and we can adjust intensity. Now let's download our text. Go to the top menu, share button, download, choose file type PNG and click download. Now we need to add a page and let's go to the left side menu elements and search for photo. I'm entering travel and let's choose photos. Now we can choose any photo we want to blend. For example, I'm choosing this one. Now right button and set image as a background. Double click and we can adjust position. Okay, now let's download this page. Go to share button, click download, select page. I'm choosing current page, click done and download. Now let's add a page and drop our downloaded photos. Let's go to download folder, choose 2 photos, click shift button and select 2 photos and just drag to Canva. We have 2 photos. Now let's go to the left side menu, apps, and enter blend and let's choose this one app. Click on this app and click accept. Now let's choose on the bottom layer, choose photo with the text and click use selected image. Now top layer, let it be photo. Click on the photo and click use selected image. And now blend mode, let it be multiply. We see our photo and click add to design. And here you go. We can add a new page and drag our design. Now we can adjust the size. And here you go. We can click share and download our photo. Select current page, done and download. And let's see our result. Go to the download folder, double click on the photo, and here you go. I hope you like this quick tutorial. Click like and subscribe, and see you next time.